I don't think people realize how giant the bakery products industry has become. The global bakery products market hit nearly $496 billion in 2023. By 2024, it's headed past $536 billion with forecasts aiming at a whopping $731 billion by 2030. That's a compound annual growth rate between 4 and 6%. What's fueling this? Urbanization, busy lifestyles, and a craving for ready-to-eat snacks. Healthier options, think whole grains, gluten-free, and the rise of indulgent treats are driving innovation. And don't forget, frozen bakery, industrial baking, and automation are heating things up. Region-wise, Asia-Pacific leads with over $162 billion in 2024, outpacing Europe and North America. Biscuits alone are set to reach $424 billion by 2030. Meanwhile, bread and rolls, cakes and pastries, and even high-protein snacks are soaring worldwide. Visit our website www.verifiedmarketresearch.com. Connect with us at inquiries@verifiedmarketresearch.com,